Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general reading for Capricorn Earth sign. This reading is for the remaining month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Capricorn, what's the messages for you? The messages for you. The Lovers. You or your person could be Gemini. Ace of Cups. Wow. Wow, Nine of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely, you both love each other, you and your person, unconditionally. The Lovers is here, and Ace of Cups, love overflowing here, and Nine of Cups. You both are one another wish fulfillments, definitely. So let's see some more messages. Very, very positive start. Capricorn. Hierophant. Wow. Four of Cups. Lot of water energy. Strong. Ace of Wands. I think in past or right now there is some misunderstandings are going between both of you, because Four of Cups, I think one person is not accepting the offer and one person is very sad for the missed opportunity, but now they want to commit, or you want to commit to your person. Definitely one of the person in this connection want new beginnings and they want to commit. In past they missed opportunity with you. They missed the opportunity with you. Yeah, see here, Ten of Swords. Some cycles are getting ended. Capricorn. Nine of Pentacles. Eight of Cups. I think you walked away from this connection and your person feeling very sad for that. You stand by your power, Capricorn, and Eight of Cups is here. You walked away. Our energy could be vice versa. Your person could be walked away from this situation. Some cycles are going to be end. Six of Cups. Definitely strong soulmate past life connection between both of you. Queen of Swords. I think you stand by your power. Knight of Swords. Some communication is coming. I think you give clarity to your person in near future. I want this commitment from you. If you don't give that commitment, then go away. I think I am getting this message because you stand by your power. Definitely some communication is coming in your way. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to right now. Ten of Wands. They are feeling very burdened. Three of Pentacles. Yes, they want to work on this relationship. Capricorn. Queen of Cups. Yeah, they have emotions for you. Strong emotions for you they have. Yeah, see here, Ten of Pentacles. Yes, they want to work on this relationship and they want to offer stability to this connection. Ten of Pentacles. Yes, they have strong emotions for you and you have also strong emotions for them. If even though you walked away, you still feel the strong connection with your person. So that's why this time you want to clarify that I want this from you. I want commitment from you. If you provide that commitment, I will be there. Otherwise, I will cut you off. You are very straightforward. You are very committed. So I think your person is also want to commit to you. They want to also offer long-term commitment to you. They want to also work on this relationship. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.